This was one of my son's favorite presents for his 4th birthday. It's the Disney Pixar Global Racers Cup Jumping Raceway. And you can see there, it's pretty fun. It comes with the 2 cars that you see racing right now. It's Lightning McQueen from the Cars movie and his rival Francesco Bernoulli. And it's self-propelled, so you can see my wife cranking the dial there, and that keeps the cars running, and they do collide like you just saw there. So it's a lot of fun to see if they can race through the track or if they're going to collide. And there's a jumping ramp right there where they'll actually leap over each other, which is the fun part that the kids are waiting to see. And then there's another collision. But it's great for all ages. My daughter is 5. My other 2-year-old son is playing along there as well. And then my 4-year-old son. So they just, for hours and hours after we set this up. It was really easy to assemble. There's a few plastic pieces that click into place. And once it's set up, the track is good to go. It doesn't require any batteries, which was another great feature. We just turn that crank and the cars are off and running.